How to use Telegram without phone number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to use Telegram without your phone number, simply first of all check on the latest version of Telegram application, for which you need to go to the Google Play Store. And as you do that, tap on the search bar and search for Telegram. Here, as you can see, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Telegram application. So we're going to tap on open and it will land us to the Telegram official page. So here, as you can see, there's this option of your phone number. So in order to have an account or use Telegram, you need to enter your phone number. That's mandatory. There's no other option than adding or using your phone number to use Telegram. So unfortunately, there is no way to use Telegram without phone number, and you have to mention your phone number over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.